this portfolio assignment, you'll complete an activity at home and then have your parent or caretaker take photos and upload those photos for your teacher so you can get a grade. Let's look at your lesson. Understanding Addition Portfolio. In this portfolio item, you will show how to arrange objects in various ways. Here's what we're going to be thinking about. This summer, you went to a state park with your family. You took many pictures of all the activities in which you and your family participated. Now you want to arrange your 9 favorite pictures on 2 pages in your photo album. So let's think about 2 different ways you could arrange 9 photos. Now for this activity, you're not really going to need 9 photos. Instead, you're going to cut out 9 small rectangles of paper. So I used a Post-it and I just cut out 9 itty bitty little rectangles like this. You'll need 9 pieces of paper. All right? With those 9 pieces of paper, you're going to take a large sheet of paper and fold it in half and then arrange those rectangles on both sides of the paper. So here's my example. I folded my paper in half, so I've got 2 sides, and I've started arranging my rectangles. Now, I only have 3 so far. You need to make sure you have 9. So you need to make sure that you have all 9 rectangles arranged on both sides. How you do it is up to you. You might have 3 on this side and 6 on this side. You might have 5 on this side and 4 on this side. You might have 9 on this side and 0 on this side. How you arrange it is up to you. After you do your first sort, you're going to have your parent or caretaker ask you these questions. How many pictures did you put on each page? So down at the bottom of my sheet, I wrote the word first arrangement. Now, your parent or caretaker can do this for you. And the letters A, B, C, and D. For A, your answer would be how many rectangles are on one side and how many are on the other side. So an example would be 4 and 5, 3 and 6, 9 and 0, however you arranged your rectangles or your pictures. All right, let's look at B. B says how many pictures do you have all together? So you should have, for that answer, 9, right? You should have all 9 on there. What number sentence represents the pictures on both pages? Now, this is really important because you guys should definitely be reading these number sentences. Did you know you can read numbers? You can. So if you are reading a number sentence, you would say it like this: 4 plus 5 equals 9, or 6 plus 3 equals 9. Make sure your number sentence matches the number of rectangles or pictures you have on each side of your paper. D says, why did you choose to arrange your pictures this way? So why did you pick 4 on one side and 5 on the other side? Or why did you pick 9 on one side and 0 on the other side? That's your answer. Why did you do it? All right. Now you're going to have your parent or caretaker take a photo of your first arrangement. You need to show your teacher what you did, all of your work. So have your parent or caretaker take a photo of your arrangement. Then you're going to start all over. So you're going to take these little rectangles and you're going to move them all around. So say I did 4 and 5 the first time. I still don't have all of mine on here, but say that's what I did. I would rearrange them, all right? Maybe this time I'm going to do 9 on this side and 0 on this side. Or I'm going to do 6 on this side and 3 on this side. You just need to make sure that it's different than your first arrangement. You don't want the same 2 numbers, okay? After that, you're going to do the same thing. Right here, I've written second arrangement, and I have A, B, C, D. Have your parent or caretaker do this for you, okay? And then they're going to ask you the same questions, but your answers will be a little different. A, how many pictures did you put on each page? Make sure those numbers are different. B, how many pictures do you have altogether? Oh, that answer is going to be the same. C, what number sentence represents the pictures on both pages? And D, why did you choose to arrange your pictures this way? So you're going to answer all 4 of those questions again, and your parent or caretaker can write down your answers. All right, the last thing you need to do is make sure that you have your name your first and last name. I just have Mrs. C, but make sure you have your first and last name on your paper and label this portfolio Understanding Addition Assessment. All right, you're going to want to put that somewhere. It can be on the side, it can be in the middle. Just make sure you have your first and last name and you have that title. Once you do that, have your parent caretaker take a photo of your second arrangement too, and then upload both of those photos so your teacher can see your thinking. All right, guys, I know you've got this. You're going to do a great job. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.